Hello and welcome to my new YouTube channel, AI Era. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that has the potential to change your life. We're going to explore how you can make millions by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. So, let's dive right in. Introduction to AI's potential. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized various industries, and its potential to generate massive wealth is undeniable. Today, we'll explore some incredible opportunities that exist in the AI space and how you can capitalize on them. AI-powered business solutions. One of the most significant ways to make millions with AI is by utilizing its capabilities to develop innovative business solutions. With AI, you can automate tedious tasks, enhance productivity, and make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. By leveraging AI to optimize business operations, you can streamline processes, reduce costs, and ultimately maximize profits. This can open doors to tremendous financial success. AI-based investment strategies. Another lucrative avenue to make millions using AI is through intelligent investment strategies. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict market trends with exceptional accuracy. There are various investment opportunities, such as stock market trading, cryptocurrency, real estate, and venture capital. AI-powered trading platforms and robo-advisors enable you to make informed investment decisions based on sophisticated algorithms. This significantly reduces the risks associated with emotional decision-making and increases your chances of substantial financial gains. AI entrepreneurship. If you're passionate about technology and have an entrepreneurial spirit, starting your own AI-focused company can be a game-changer. The demand for AI solutions and expertise is soaring, presenting ample opportunities for success. By developing cutting-edge AI products or providing AI consulting services, you can tap into a rapidly growing market. Securing funding, forming strategic partnerships, and scaling your business can lead to significant wealth creation. AI and content creation. AI's impact on content creation is transforming various creative industries. Whether it's music, art, or writing, AI can be an invaluable tool for generating high-quality content. By harnessing the power of AI in content creation, you can streamline production processes, increase output, and potentially reach a broader audience. This opens up possibilities for monetization and lucrative partnerships. As we wrap up today's video, we've explored some compelling ways to make millions by utilizing artificial intelligence. From AI-powered business solutions and investment strategies to AI entrepreneurship and content creation, the opportunities are vast. Remember, success in the AI space requires continuous learning, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace new technologies. If you're passionate and dedicated, the potential for financial abundance is within your reach. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI, and may you find incredible success on your journey. This is Hisab, signing off.